Hey guys, we are looking at the DJM 900 Nexus 2, and we're going to be checking out the echo effect here. I'm going to show you how it works so nicely now that we have effects frequency selectors. So you can just put the echo on the mid, and when it's just on the mid, sounds great. Let me demonstrate for you. So that there is the effects on the DJM 900 Nexus 2. That's just the echo, just showing off kind of one of them at a time here. And I'll do another video, show you some other cool tricks you can do here. Effects frequencies are the best. Talk to you guys soon.